What is up, guys? This is Kellen from Dreamedia Home Theater. We have a really cool product, something that the industry has been wanting and screaming at, something that we have been screaming at for Kaleidescape to come out with. If you're just tuning into our channel, which many of you guys will not be, but if this is your first time here, we are a small home theater company that specializes in home theater design, implementation, equipment. We have whole home audio designs, automation. We're able to help personally, or we can help nationwide and get you, the right equipment for your project. Super excited about unboxing the new Strato V. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. We really appreciate our partners at Kaleidescape for getting this over to us. This just came out about a week ago now, the making of this video. So what is Kaleidescape? If you're just coming across, what is this crazy thing? What is this concept? Is it a streamer? We'll talk a little bit about Kaleidescape in general. Kaleidescape is going to be a reference video playback system for your home theater or entertainment space. The best audio and the best video bit rates compared to other formats, Blu-ray and mainly streaming. So this isn't technically streaming. It's going to give you the same usability, convenience as streaming, but you're actually downloading the entire file to the Strato V or the Kaleidescape system, and then playing back those files in full lossless resolution. So we have the Strato C, which is their compact system. We have a dedicated player only, no storage whatsoever built into it. So we have a player, and then we have the Terra and Terra Prime servers, and those servers are going to be essentially what you think of with a computer is going to be your hard drive to store all of those downloaded movies to then recall and play back to your player. The compact Terra C and the servers, you had to have both pieces, and that was going to cost you around $9,000, $89.90. For most folks, if you're designing a home theater, it may not have made a lot of sense to spend a third of your budget just on one piece, and that goes for anything, right? And that goes for a projector, a processor. Maybe we need to scale down the equipment a little bit to get you the entire package for a better overall experience instead of dumping a lot of the budget to one piece. Let's fit into the Strato V. The Strato V has a 1 terabyte storage built into it, and it's also a player that now has Dolby Vision. So if you're using this with a television or a short throw that has Dolby Vision enabled, you will be able to utilize that. And so with the new Strato V being $39.95, essentially a little less than half the price, it's the same price as the normal player without storage. Gonna make a lot of sense for most folks, and we're already starting to see that. We've sold several units already, been out less than a week. And so, if you do have questions on it directly, if you think this is something you want, we do have it online on our store. We have these in stock, ready to ship pretty much at all times. We'll get into it. First on top here, you're gonna have an installation and tips for best signal quality. And then you're gonna have your breakdown on the back and how you set it up and connect it. So we kind of have a box within a box here. This is the actual unit. I'm gonna set it off to the side just a second here. And then I'll get out the accessories box. So opening up the accessories box, first and foremost, you're gonna have the Kaleidescape remote. Then we're going to have our power brick. This is going to be the main power for the unit. Kind of straightforward there. Something that I really like about Kaleidescape I'll mention is they pretty much give you all the cords and cables that you need to get this thing running. So with that being said, you have a Ethernet cable to basically hardwire this directly into your network. And then you have a high quality HDMI cable from PixelGen. This is THX certified. It's a 1.5 foot HDMI cable. This would be something that you would just run to a receiver for your surround sound, or if you wanted to run this directly to your TV, you may need a longer HDMI cable. We have those on our site as well. Or if you want to consult, talk to somebody, feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email or message. And then last but not least, kind of the moment I'm sure everyone's been waiting for. Let's check out that new black finish on the Kaleidescape. So open it up from the back here. Really nice piece, and boom, let's get a look at it. All right, guys, so welcome back. We have the Kaleidescape Strato V all set up. Temporarily have it plugged into this Hisense 100-inch television. It is Dolby Vision capable, so we'll show that off. But essentially, when you get your product, the setup process is going to be very similar to what you may or may not have experienced if you already have Kaleidescape equipment. We have videos on our channel that show you how to set up the Kaleidescape system. Very easy to do, very DIY friendly. Obviously, we would love to offer that to you. If you purchase the product from us, you have my attention and our sales staff firsthand to help walk you through any troubleshooting issues, questions, and overall setup of this product or any product that you purchase here at Dreamedia. You will notice that this is a limited UI, so you're not going to have a full movie wall, so to speak, like the Kaleidescape system, like the Terra Prime. If you have more movies, because this is limited storage, you really only have a limited amount of choices to potentially spread that out over the entire screen. They may change that in the future, they may not, but essentially this is the limited UI. Still looks great. Very easy and easy on the eyes. So essentially we have these movies that are already on here. These are all Dolby Vision files. Not only are you getting the best quality file to watch these movies, now you can even get the Dolby Vision file if you have a display that can allow that. Just to prove what we're looking at here will be a Dolby Vision. We're going to go ahead and play a scene from Ready Player One. Of course, you have probably seen this 1,000 times like we have here at the channel. This is, I'd say, one of the best demo scenes available, but you should see the Dolby Vision pop up on the top right. That says Dolby Atmos. It is displaying in Dolby Vision as well. It was a quick pop-up. So we'll go ahead and stop this so we don't have any copyright issues. I'll go ahead and play another file so you can see that. Switching to Dolby Vision. Dolby Vision, boom, right there. And Dolby Atmos. So if you guys are interested in learning more about the Kaleidescape ecosystem, if you want to purchase the Strato V, we have these in stock. They are shipping now. Call us, pick our brains if this product is right for you. If you want some more details, Kaleidescape is the best way to watch movies, and they just made it even better by making it more affordable. So reach out. We are a small business. We'd love the opportunity to earn your business as well. But until next time, this is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.